here's your late September reminder to check your tire pressures. It was 7 degrees this morning and I checked my tires. Felt kind of weird, so I checked them when I got to work and they were at 4 pounds low. I was supposed to be at 36 on the back and it was at 31. Yikes. Check your tires. What's up, internet? Tonight, internet wins. I had to figure out how to turn off my ABS sensor, front and back. I don't know which one was which. And so Googled the life out of it. Number 1, high compressed air. Don't have a compressor. Number 2, magnet. Unless you take it apart, you'll never get a magnet in there. Number 3 was clean it with light soap, like a mild soap and water. And so I did that front and back and actually cleaned off my ABS rings and the sensors as much as I could. And it worked. I don't know if he's got somebody or they left already, maybe. Oh, busted. I was just going, well, I was going fast. Thanks, Waze. It's the morning of police. Police, police. Wait till he's turned right off. Of no return. Have a good day, officer. It's kind of like Texas. This is what a truck looks like here. What a beast. Nice. I love it when I start off and I forget to turn my phone on. Dang. Now I gotta stop. First world problems. The trouble is, of course, my phone won't recognize me in my helmet. Top secret code. There we go. Back in business. So before I was so rudely interrupted by myself, I was just looking at my tire pressures because this morning I was trying to get some heat in my tires. It was just 7 degrees above freezing and so very cold, but I could feel my front tire. It was like it was folding, you know, almost like when your dirt bike tires are too soft. And so I checked it out when I got to work. You know, rider only setting on these tires are suggested for road is 33 pounds on the front and 36 on the back. And so when I checked it, I had 28 on the front and I think I had 31 on the back. And so I was down 5 or 6 pounds. And sort of what that means is for every 10 degrees Celsius, your tire loses 1 pound of pressure. Then on top of that, say I started riding, you know, seriously in June or July, every month, just naturally your tires lose about a pound of pressure. And so add on to that 3 degrees or 3 pounds of pressure I lost in cold because it's almost 30 degrees colder. I also lost about 3 pounds just from time from not checking my tires enough. Now I'm curious today, I'm going to check them when I get home, because now the air temperature went up 20 degrees or 18 degrees. And I want to see if that's true. If it went up 2 pounds, maybe I need to fall somewhere in the middle so that I'm not too low in the freezing cold, not too high when it warms up again. I think right now at room temperature, like 23 Celsius outside, these are going to be fine. So there's my riding tip for the fall. Check your tire pressures. Ride safe, everybody.